Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Acorns app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're logged onto the Acorns app on someone else's phone. How do you actually go ahead and log out? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log into the Acorns app. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Then on this page here, click on settings. Now, towards the bottom, if you scroll down, you should be able to see a logout button on the bottom hand side. So once you log out, that's actually going to go ahead and log you out of the Acorns app, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and log out of the Acorns app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.